Now in production from Oetiker. The world's most compact polymer quick connectors for EV thermal management. Smile QC. Turning millimeters into kilometers of EV range. Oetiker's state-of-the-art New York facility manufactures Smile components in a modern manufacturing environment, featuring proprietary automation and assembly technologies specially designed around the Smile Quick Connector System's components and specifications to meet the highest manufacturing quality standards and customer requirements. Oetiker offers world-class global customer support and services with 13 production facilities, 31 local sales locations, 80-plus years of quality, and over 4,500 OEM and Tier 1 clients. Smile QC, now in production and on the road from Oetiker. Visit Oetiker.com for more information.